Okay guys, sa mga naghahanap po ng budget friendly na crossover 5-seater po ito, Ford EcoSport Trend 2014. Ayan, 1.5 liter gas engine po ito guys. Malinis yung papel, LTO verified po tayo, then magko-comply po tayo ng PNP HPG clearance. Pagdating naman sa unit guys, makinis, makintab, maganda yung pintura, very presentable po itong unit, and malamig aircon, bago yung mga gulong. Ayan, makakapal po lahat. Goodyear po actually, and brand new po itong apat. Okay, so ito yung interior nya, malinis. Okay, ayan, maganda yung upuan, maganda yung dashboard. Mileage na ito guys is 125,000, and manual transmission po ito. Malamig yung aircon, working yung mga gauges, malinis yung loob. Okay, so may spare tire tayo dito nasa likod. Ay, open natin. Okay, ayan, spacious po yung compartment nya.
Well-maintained din po ang engine nitong EcoSport. Stable and matining umandar. Walang oil leaks. In very good running condition po ito. For only 268,000, magkakaroon ka na ng magandang crossover. Of course, negotiable pa po ito if cash payment. Plus, free transfer of ownership basta subscriber namin kayo. Kaya mag-message na po kayo guys para ma-avail nyo na po ito.